celebrate Armed Forces Flag Day, a day to honor the brave men and women who protect our nation.
The Armed Forces, the Indian Army. Open palm facing forward shows trust, honesty in the soldier carries no weapon. The Indian Navy. Palm facing down. Evolved because sailors' palms often get dirty on ships, making this the most respectful gesture. The Indian Navy. Sharp, slightly angled salute. Desired visibility and practicality with variety Today, their voices can answer your question.
Army protect their land. Even mountains covered in snow, and even hot burning deserts.
So you see us wearing this.
Yes, protecting your freedom.
Protecting your sky from high above the clouds. In fine jets and aircraft. Air Force makes sure that no danger reaches you from above.